Okay, so you have just run the code to right join the county pills per year table to our county population table. And recall that the right join is essentially the opposite of the left join. So the right join essentially says this: return all the rows from table B. In this case, that's our county population table, regardless of whether there's a match in table A. In this case, our county pills per year table. If it finds a match in table A, pull in that information and put it in the appropriate column. But if it doesn't find a match, just leave the cell, the value in that column, blank. So I'm going to pull up the table here. And again, I want you to notice this time the number of rows. So we have 3,143 observations, rows, which is the same as the number of observations we have in the county population table. So what we've done here is we've pulled all rows from the county population table, regardless of whether there was a match in pills. But if there was a match, put those together and display the information from the pills table. So I'm going to pull this up. So, again, we can look at Atauga, right? We saw from earlier videos that Atauga had information about pills per year in our pills table and our population table. So the reason it was returned is that there was a value in the population table. And because it found a match in average in the pills per year table, it put it there. So again, I want to look at our Puerto Rico and Bristol examples to show you how this works. So if you recall, our population table does have information for Bristol, Alaska. So this is the join table here. So I'm going to filter for Bristol. And I'll just type in Alaska to get it down a little more. Okay, so it was returned because it is in our population table. So we saw the county FIPS, Byer County, Byer State, and the population. If I pull up the county population table, we can see this just a little more clearly. So here's Bristol, Alaska. Okay. This is our join table. There's an NA value for average in the average pills per year column. That's missing. Why is it missing? It's missing because if we go to our county pills per year table and search for Bristol, Alaska, it doesn't exist in that table. It doesn't exist in that table. And because of that, that's why this was returned blank. Okay, if you recall, our pills table had information about Puerto Rico. Here's our pills table. Right, it had the average pills per year for Puerto Rico. Here's our population table. When I search for Puerto Rico here, nothing is returned. In the join table, when I go looking for Puerto Rico, nothing is there. Why? Nothing is there because, again, the right join says return all of the records from the county population table, and only if there's a match, return the things from the county pills table. But there wasn't a match, so it gets left out. Okay, keep working down the lab.